नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपका अपना दोस्त डॉक्टर अंशुल महाजन, कंसल्टेंट साइकाट्रिस्ट, मानस हॉस्पिटल लुधियाने से आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं। हेलो एवरीवन। दर्शकों, आज मैं आप सबको विटामिन डी के बारे में, विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी के कारण जो साइकाट्रिक डिसऑर्डर्स होते हैं या जो फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं उसके बारे में आपको जानकारी देना चाहूँगा। तो ये रहा मेरा वीडियो। Vitamin D plays a unique and important role in our body. It is the only vitamin that functions just like a hormone. It enters our body through sun on our skin, or it is consumed through food. It goes straight into the liver as well as kidneys, where it is converted into hormone. The hormone is usually referred to as activated vitamin D or calcitriol. It helps absorb body calcium, essential task for bones and teeth, and activates genes which influence our immune system as well as brain. What does vitamin D do to our body? Does it has a significant role? Yes, it has a significant role in our body. Most prominently, it serves as a catalyst for the absorption of calcium. Without vitamin D, our body cannot absorb calcium, leaving teeth and bones weak and fragile. In addition to this, vitamin D also helps regulate the immune system and release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. These neurotransmitters affect brain function, development, and consequently our mental health. The normal requirement of vitamin D is 600 international units for all ages. So what are the sources of vitamin D? Sunlight exposure, egg yolk, fish, milk, oatmeal, breakfast cereals. What are the vitamin D deficiency effects on mental health and physical health? So vitamin D receptors in the brain prove that this particular vitamin affect our mental health. It is believed to influence proteins in our brain which plays a role in everything from our mood to our social behavior. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to depression. Vitamin D deficiency symptoms are more likely to be depressed than those with normal levels. Lack of sunlight and vitamin D3 may be linked to depression, may be linked to anxiety, and one of the disorders is seasonal affective disorder. It is considered to be a type of depression. Symptoms may include feeling of anxiety as well. And people with seasonal disorders, they may be irritable, they may suffer from insomnia, depression as well as anxiety. There is a link between vitamin D deficiency and anxiety as well. For example, exercising and spending time with friends are two lifestyle activities which often occur outdoors. People with anxiety often avoid both these activities, limiting exposure of sunlight, hence more prone to anxiety. Vitamin D deficiency and other mental issues have also been seen like bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, schizoaffective disorders. So what are the vitamin D deficiency symptoms physically? Frequent illness or infection, since vitamin D helps regulate immune system, and deficiency increases the risk of infection. Excessive fatigability, mostly in females, backache, pain can also be seen in vitamin D deficiency because there is lack of absorption of calcium. Bone loss, hair loss. In addition to aching bones, lack of vitamin D and subsequent lack of calcium can cause bones to deteriorate, leading to fragile bones and break frequently. In addition to losing bone mass, hair loss can also be seen in vitamin D deficiency. Muscle pain can also be seen vitamin D deficiency. There is vitamin D deficiency is connected to pain and sensitivity. Case of vitamin D deficiency been cause of some chronic muscle pain. तो दर्शकों, ये था मेरा वीडियो रिगार्डिंग विटामिन डी एंड इट्स डेफिशिएंसी, साइकाट्रिक एज वेल एज फिजिकल। तो आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए तो आप इसको लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच।